We're inside the 2026 Quantum LZ28, and I want to show you what I think is just an absolutely stunning decor. On top of the fact that this is, under 30 feet and we have no slide and it's an awesome Class C, but check this out. This is our Sea Breeze with the Harbor Collection. So you get this really nice blue cabinet work down here. The white uppers, you have this nice wood here. Cool, it's just a very cool, very different look. I love this. No slide, so setup, super easy. Your control panel is right here. Don't have to worry about putting on a slide. You can just get to your destination and you can unwind, whether it is on the sofa here. So we're gonna have 3 seatbelts in the sofa. This makes into a bed. So we have seatbelts for 7, sleeping for 5 inside the LZ28, sleeping here on the sofa, sleeping in seatbelts in the dinette, as well as a child safety tether. And then we have the over the cab bunk. So 800-pound capacity up here. Just a neat driving, living outside, exploring vacation rig. This is on the Ford chassis right now. You can also get it on a Chevy, so it depends on whatever your preference is. You can get that, make it work for you. Make it either the blue oval or the bow tie. Doesn't matter. Lots of room in here, 84 inches of ceiling height. We have a 13,500 BTU AC unit. A lot of storage inside too. A lot of storage outside. We'll get to that in just a minute. 108, actually just a touch over 108 cubic feet of exterior storage. But look how large these cabinets are. They go all the way up. Gas pistons right there, so they're gonna stay secure for you on your trip. You have a TV up front, a smart TV, so if you wanna turn your phone into a hotspot, you can do that and then stream all your favorite shows. Over here, use this for dishes or a pantry, doesn't matter. Nice little storage up here too. And we'll talk about all our kitchen features, including this nice sink, pull down sprayer, roll that back in, dry those dishes off. 2-burner gas cooktop right here, and then you have a convection microwave. And what's really cool about this is the air fry button, so you can really crisp things up if you have an air fryer at home. Just a big version right there. And a big old 12-volt fridge. This is a great size fridge for this motorhome. Fits in nice here. Freezer, fridge, store everything you need in there. Gonna take us right back to this split bath. We'll start in the shower here, so a little step up. Then I am in a neat door. Check out this door. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? That's gonna keep you private in here. You're going to keep all the water in here so it's not spilling on the floor. Nice shower mounted on a wand, face level for me right there. Tankless hot water on board as well. And then here into the part where we have the toilet and the medicine cabinets and the sink. Again, we get that nice two-tone look. Plenty of space in here as well. Tankless hot water. Great little bathroom. Then we get into our bedroom back here. North to south bed, so again, real easy to get into because there is no slide. Huge closet. Massive closet over here. There is the ladder for the bunk. Closet over on the other side, huge nightstands. You have all the ports you need, whether it's 12 volt for a CPAP machine, USB A and C. You have your 110s. Nice little nook back here to hide whatever you need or store it for books, whatever. And the other feature that's great about this bedroom, as well as the rest of the coach, and we'll take a look as we go back up front and head outside. Look at the size of these windows. Massive windows on each side. You can open these, get that cross ventilation back here, but you also get a lot of natural light. At night, obviously, you want the privacy, so you can pull down the roller blinds as well. You'll probably want to keep those shut on a super hot day and let that AC run real efficient. But as we head up, again, take a look at the size of these windows. Tons of natural light coming in. Let's take a real quick spin on the outside. Gonna have a 4,000 watt generator on here. It's gonna run off of gas, also, or propane. You choose the source, but you have auto gen start. You can set right here with the button on the door. You can also download the app and you can set the parameters for your auto gen start as well. Gonna have a steel bumper, 8,000-pound hitch, and then the storage on this is just unbelievable. Let me open this up for you. You can load from the front, you can load from the back, you can load from this side. On the other side where those backpacks are stored right now, there is a table. Well, in fact, here we go. Look at this. Table right here. You just pull this out. and you can set that up, and you know, you're not using that nasty little picnic table you find at the campsite. Sometimes those are pretty nasty. Kids have carved in them, whatever. Your own table on board, nice awning. You can put that out on a sunny day or even a day when there's just a light breeze, and just sit out here and enjoy pet tie down. So you can bring your dog along, or just use it as if you're bringing bikes or something, you can use that to lock them up there. Pretty neat. And then we have a huge bay here as well. So lots of storage outside, lots of storage inside, just a nice little Class C RV that can take you anywhere, and it looks great in the process. So why not build your own Quantum LZ28 right now at thormotorcoach.com.